Today got a very special episode for you guys. I'm doing a maiden of a Reptile Cloud 149 Ghost Edition. I've had this for a while. I just kind of want to rebuild the frame. The ducks that were on it sucked, so here it goes. Welcome back to another Ghost FPV episode. Today we'll be looking at the Cloud 149 Remake 2023 edition. What I did to it is I got the 3D printed ducks from Johnny from, damn, I forgot his name. Johnny something from FPV. But yeah, we're going to be trying to take this up for a maiden flight. And with the maiden flight, we're running the Runcam Split 4. On top, we're running the Runcam Thumb, which gave some horrible video. So I'm opting to go with the Runcam Split 4 internally built. It should get better quality, at least with the stabilization. Now, I changed up the props to those penta or hex blades. They're pretty good. I'm running at 30% throttle, floating it around and moving around. I later broke those props, so I changed them to some bullnose props. I'm going to try to see how they're a little bit more durable. Those are not durable at all. You have one crash or something gets in there, those props are done. You see here the 22 milliamp 5S battery, charging up the 1300 Ovonic, using my field charger, trying to get some field charging going. Of course, I'm using my DJI goggles here with the analog DJI adapter and the X-Air True RC patch, which is not being used right now. That's for digital. But down the slide we go. Crouch flip. It's this feature where you can flip the quad around on its right side up, like that. So you see the props are still good. Little dirt's getting it in there. They're still fine, it's okay. So I'm just gonna rock on out this field, chase my little daughter around here. You see, this drone is safe. It has prop guards. I usually wouldn't do this with kids or anything close to it because these props really fucking hurt. If it hits you, it'll cut you open. So being that it's totally safe, you can fly this around cars, people, indoors, objects. And that's what my aim is with this model I built right here. The track's okay. It's a little windy, but then again, I've never really been a fan of these Cinewhoops because they just don't fly as well as like open prop drones. But I'm gonna give it a try, see if I could work with it. I mean, there's a whole reason a whole lot of people love Cinewhoops. It definitely flies a lot better than the original Reptile Cloud. It's not as floaty, and it doesn't feel like it feels like a Buick flying in the air. This feels more normal. I can do flips with it. If you want to make an old thing new, go to my link downstairs on the comment section there, and you'll see a little link to Thingiverse. Print yourself out these ducks. Give Johnny Riv a little holler and say, yo, I need a printout. You won't be disappointed on the next Ghost.